Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Aries ascendant and the predictions for the month of July 2024. So for Aries ascendant, the ascendant lord Mars is going to be in the first house till 11th of July, and then it is going to enter into the second house where it is going to stay till 25th of August. So for the first 11 days, Mars presence in the ascendant is going to give you a lot of energy, and you will be able to progress towards your goals with a lot of rigor and speed. After 11th of July, the movement of ascendant lord in the second house, that too in the sign of Taurus, which itself indicates money, also means that a lot of cash flow is going to happen for you in this month, and time frame from 11th to 31st of July is extremely beneficial when it comes to monetary benefit. Now the flip side of Mars coming in the second house would mean that it is going to introduce a lot of aggression in your speech, and you need to watch out for what you are speaking to, especially to your family members. And Mars is going to aspect the 8th house of your in-laws through the 7th aspect, so you should also be very careful as far as dealing with your in-laws is concerned. So if we talk about the negative side, in a nutshell, you need to be very careful about your speech, and you should think a lot before you start speaking to your family members or to your in-laws. Venus is the lord of your second house, which indicates self-earned wealth, as well as the lord of business. So for this month, starting from 7th to 30th of July, Venus is going to open up an additional source of income from for you. This could be from the real estate investment that you have made in the past, or it could be from a piece of land that you purchased, or you could get money from your maternal side. But an additional source of income is going to open up for you in this month. Mercury is the ruler of your house of service. So all those people who are in jobs will also find this month to be very favorable, and they have a good opportunity to move up the hierarchy at their workplace in the month of July. Best time for this or a possible increment at the workplace is between 13th to 16th of July. Sun rules over your education, creativity, and speculation, and it is going to be present in the third house in the sign of Mercury till 15th of July, and then it is going to move into the sign of Cancer where it is going to stay till 15th of August. Now, while Moon is a friend of Sun, Sun is primarily a ball of fire, and its movement in the full water sign of Cancer would mean that it is going to become extremely uncomfortable here. Further, the fourth house is the most weak house in all the quadrant houses. So first, fourth, seventh, 10th, these are called quadrant houses. 10th is the most powerful, followed by the first house, and then seventh, and then fourth. So fourth is the weakest house in all the quadrant houses. So if you look sign wise as well as the house placement wise, Sun position is not a great position. So you are not going to get satisfactory result regarding those things that are related to the fifth house. So if you are a student, the second half of July after Sun moves here is not going to be conducive as far as excelling in studies is concerned. The first half of July will be more favorable, and specifically 8th to 12th of July is going to be the better time in this whole month for students to excel in their studies. And if you are interested in stock market, then again this month is not going to be favorable, and it is better to stay away from the market in the month of July, because Venus also, though will move to the fifth house, it will again be in the sign of Leo, and Sun and Venus are not friends. So it is better that speculators move away from the market. The time where you need to be very cautious in the month of July is from 22nd to 26th of July. This is a time where you need to postpone making any key decisions, and you need to watch out for your expenditure, because you may incur a sudden outflow of money during these 5 days. So you need to be very careful about these two things. Otherwise, this month is going to be exceptionally good for progress at your workplace. It doesn't matter whether you are in job or in business, you will see progress in your professional domain, and you will also see a lot of money coming into you in this month. So from the perspective of cash flow also, this month is going to be very good for you. So this is the summary for the Aries ascendant people for the month of July. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would request you to do so, and thank you very much for watching.